Are your apps not working because of the EEDEC module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we begin our EEDEC module troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This DLL file is a specialized library associated with Epson imaging software or printer drivers. It manages internal communication and error checking routines for scanning and document processing tasks on Windows systems. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This issue is commonly caused by a broken or truncated Samsung application installation. Reinstall the latest official version of Samsung application from the official website to ensure the EEDEC module DLL and all related files are correctly replaced. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the EEDEC module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Please use caution. Replacing the EEDEC module DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. One approach to reviewing the EEDEC module references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the EEDEC module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.